In this video, I'll show you how to make money from 1xBet without betting. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So if you want to make money from 1xBet without betting, here's what you can do. Come with your 1xBet account, come to menu, hold here, you click on 1x Games. In 1x Games, you're going to see that hundreds and thousands of games that you can play. So you can choose any game and play without actually needing to bet on an event. So there are many games, if you play and win, you are going to receive money. So for instance, you can play this game by first of all staking an amount, and if you stake and win, you're going to win money without betting on a match.